Welcome guys. In this video, I am going to show you the demo of our weather app. So here is the app. So it has started. So this is the UI of the app where in the first line it will show the city text, then temperature, then humidity and the speed of the wind. Then it will show the weather type. And here you have a edit text where you will enter the city name and then click on the button. It will change the city. Let's do it practically. So if I write the city name as Delhi and click on change city, you can see the temperature and all the details of the Delhi as the weather condition is haze now. And if I change the city name to Mumbai and click on change city, now you can see the temperature and all the details of the Mumbai city. So that's all for the demo video. And in the upcoming video, I will bring two videos. First for the UI part, second for the backend part. And in this video, we will be integrating the API. So this is going to be a knowledgeable video. So for this, stay tuned and don't forget to save the playlist and subscribe the channel. Thank you.